I started this program from the ground up. It was kind of cool because I consulted for the school before I had any inclination to become a teacher. So I designed the program, the whole layout, what equipment we would order, so on and so forth. And then I decided that I was gonna transition into becoming a teacher.
From a young age, I've always been like a hands-on guy. My dad, he grew up in the trades, going from dealership to dealership as a mechanic. He kind of like put that work ethic in me with you gotta work with your hands, you gotta get your stuff done by doing it yourself.
Today, it seems like it's college, college, college. And that's the only path that a lot of students know. That's the only option that they think they have. And I just wanted to be able to give back to our youth and give them that opportunity to be able to maybe have a different avenue in life.
This is a great opportunity to progress in your future. This is a key straight into the industry if you really want to chase that route.
Coming from industry, it was really, really hard to find employees that really understood, show up on time, willing to learn, eager to learn.
Learning a real world skill like welding doesn't just teach you important stuff like how to weld, but also teaches you good life skills, and I feel like that's something that all schools should offer for any sort of student.
You get to come in here, kind of work on your craft, get an insight on different stuff.
A lot of students will take this opportunity as they want to become an artist. They want to do metal art. They want to use it as a career or even as a job to pay their way through college.
Welding is one of the biggest reasons why I've got into some of the schools I've applied to, because schools and colleges, they see lots of students with 4.0s and stuff like that. It doesn't mean anything to them at that point. They want people who are well-rounded individuals, and I feel like welding made me a more well-rounded individual. With that, it made me stand out to colleges.
It kind of just leaves you striving for more. So I'm super eager to jump into it after high school, and I think it's set me up pretty tremendously compared to everybody else who didn't get this opportunity in high school.
In reality, I have a passion for welding. I love welding. I've been doing it all my life. It's been in my family for generations, but it's not just about welding. I don't care what trade it is. I don't care what skill it is, what class it is. Really apply yourself, get your hands dirty, learn something that you'll never forget.
This is one of my last classes of the day, and it honestly brings me so much joy. It gives me something to kind of relax on. It's not something like I have to sit down on a worksheet and write a 5-paragraph essay or something like that. It's something different, and it honestly gives me a good peace of mind every day when I come into this class.
I had a hard time finding application in my education, and a lot of times students, I'll encourage them to utilize this class as their stepping stone or their encouragement to make it through their other classes.
This is the reason I show up every day. If it wasn't for welding, I probably wouldn't be in high school right now. I probably would have dropped out sophomore year and worked for my dad. Welding, for me, is my next step, and it almost feels like my only opportunity to really make it in this life. So I'm gonna really take advantage of this while I'm here.